friends, welcome to Fun Drawing with Piyali. Here we show you different type of drawing with fun and easy way. So if you want to learn drawing in a fun and easy way with fun facts, then subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with today's topic.
Hello little explorers. Today we are going on a peaceful adventure into beautiful countryside. Look at those blue mountains, green hills, colorful fields and the big bright sun shining in the sky. Doesn't this place look like a magical nature world? Imagine walking along the colorful road, feeling the fresh breeze and listening to the birds singing in the tree. Are you ready to explore this happy mountain landscape with me? Let's begin our colorful journey today. Fun fact number 1, mountains can be super tall. Some mountains are so high that their tops reach above the clouds. Fun fact number 2, mountains can change the weather. When air travels up to a mountain, it can cool down and form clouds in the rain. Fun fact number 3, trees help keep the hills green. Trees provide homes for birds and animals to help and protect the soil. Fun fact number 4, some mountain roads look like a colorful ribbons. Roads can wind and curve through hills and valleys, making a beautiful pattern from far away. And now the last one, fun fact number 5. Mountains are home to amazing animals. Different mountain areas can be homes for animals such as mountain goats, eagles, bears, and many other creatures. Wow, little explorers, what a beautiful journey through the mountains and countryside. We saw green hills, colorful fields, bright sunny sky, and a lovely tree standing proudly in the nature. So if you enjoyed this peaceful adventure, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more colorful and fun adventure. And of course, share it with everyone. So little explorer, keep smiling, keep exploring, and I'll see you in our next adventure.
Wow, that's fantastic drawing. Thank you my little friends for joining in today. And do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like our drawing sessions and you want to learn this fun and easy way of drawing and grow your knowledge with fun facts. We will see you soon with another exciting topic. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye bye.